A question I get asked pretty frequently is, what social media platforms should I be on? And my answer is always, whatever you want to be on. If you are new to business or if you're just starting your music career, do not try to go be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, Snapchat. There's so many options, and if you try to do them all at once, you're going to epically fail. Pick one or two, the two that you like the most, the two that you actually are on personally, the ones that you enjoy using and interacting on. Pick those and start there. It doesn't have to be so hard or overwhelming. Wherever you show up is where your fans will find you. For example, when I started Biz Besties, I started it as a Facebook group. I really was just trying to create a community, and Facebook groups was my outlet and platform to do so. I didn't go start a Facebook group, a Facebook page, an Instagram, a YouTube all at the same time, because my intention was to create community, and that worked out in my favor so well. The first week my group grew to 300 members because all of my focus was right there. If I was trying to find people on LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube all at the same time to lead them to my Facebook page, that would be 1, confusing, and 2, overwhelming, and 3, not effective. But since I put all of my energy and effort into making something and making it authentic, it worked. I thought the group would have 30 members. I thought it would just be me and my friends. And maybe if they invited a friend or two, we would get 100 and be lucky. But I got to 300, and now it's got thousands of members. It's because I focused on the one platform. I didn't even start the Biz Besties Instagram until a year, maybe a year and a half later. And that's because I had figured out what the purpose of the group was, and Instagram was just another touch point for what was actually happening back in the group. So if you're wondering what platforms to be on, 1, don't try to be on them all, especially not in the beginning. 2, just pick the 2 favorites that you have personally, start there. 3, when you feel like you've mastered those, then add on 1 more at a time. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Katherine Forbes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, a subscribe, a comment, and I will see you next time.